Hello class 7th, I am Subodh, your physics teacher. Today we start our first topic, physical quantities and measurement. In class 6th, you already read about physical quantities and the measurement, but again in this time there are more explanation on these topic. So first topic is, this is the introductory part, and they already written here in class 6th. We learned the measurement of 4 basic quantities in our daily life. Maybe you remember that: length, mass, time and temperature. These 4 are the basic physical quantities. Why we call them basic physical quantities? What is physical quantities? If you forget that, then listen carefully. Physical quantities means the quantities or the matter which we can measure. We call them physical quantities. Like if I am talking about length, yes, we can measure the length, so it's a physical quantity. Length we can measure by centimeter, kilometer, meter. If I am asking you that what is this, 10 centimeter or 10 kilometer or 10 meter, you can easily understand these all are length. Now again, if I am talking about 10 gram, 10 kilogram, then you can easily understand this is mass. This is mass. Number third is time. We can measure the time or not? Yes, we can measure the time. 10 minute, 1 hour, 45 second. It means we can measure the time also. We can measure the length, we can measure the mass, we can measure the time. Number fourth physical quantity is temperature. Temperature. Yes, we can measure the temperature also. If I am asking you what is the boiling water temperature? Boiling water temperature. What is this? You can easily understand, it's 100 degrees centigrade. If I am asking you what is freezing point temperature? Freezing point temperature is 0 degree centigrade. It means if we are talking about temperature also, you can easily measure that. So it means any kind of quantity which can be measured by us, that is called physical quantity. One more quantity is there, that is area, volume. So many things are there, but in class 6 you already know these 4. Class, one more thing which I want to add here. In your book they mentioned here the word SI unit. So hope you all aware about SI unit. If I am talking about length, the SI unit of length is meter. Mass, the SI unit of mass is kilogram. The SI unit of time is second. Temperature, the SI unit is not centigrade, degree centigrade, it's a Kelvin. It's a Kelvin. You all aware about that? So this is the topic which you already completed in your class 6th. Okay, so our next topic is volume. So what is volume? Class, you can see easily in your book, you can see here the space occupied by any object is called volume. It means any object which occupies space. If I take the example, there are 2 jars, both contain same amount of water. This is point A, this is also point A, and in second jar if you dip a stone like this, then what will happen? Definitely the amount of water increases. Yes or no? Sure, definitely the amount of water increases and it goes till point B. So from point A to B, it's very important. So if I am asking you what is the volume of this stone, actually the volume of this stone is equal to the volume of that water which is displaced by this stone. When you put stone in that jar, the water level goes upwards from A to B. So it means this is the volume of water which is equal to the volume of stone. So this is the volume. Now SI unit of volume, this is important one. So if I am talking about volume, volume always be in the three-dimensional bodies. Like I gave you the example of this box. If I am talking about this box, it has a length, it has a breadth, and there is a height. So length, breadth and height is there. So we can say if you want to calculate volume, then you need length, breadth and height, and you have multiply all these, then you can easily get the volume. This is the formula of volume, you already know. But important part is, what is the SI unit of volume? SI unit of volume. If I am asking you what is the SI unit of length, meter. What is the SI unit of breadth? Actually breadth is also is a length. Yes or no? Breadth means, if I am asking you how you measure this, by your ruler. How you measure your breadth? By your ruler. It means it's a length. So length is always measured by meter. Height is also measured by meter. It means it's also a length. Okay, so SI unit of volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Length, you all know the SI unit of length is meter. Breadth is also measured by length. Height is also measured by length. It means we can measure breadth in meter, height in meter. So meter into meter into meter, what is the answer? Maybe you are confused, or maybe you know that in class 6 I already told you. Meter into meter into meter, in maths also you are all aware about that, it's meter cube, or we can say cubic meter. So meter cube or cubic meter, you can use any one of the word. So SI unit of volume is cubic meter or meter cube. Okay, so now next topic is other units of volume. There are so many other units of volume. Like if I am talking about volume equal to 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter, maybe you understand, if I am taking meter, meter and meter, then if I put 1 and 1, then there is no harm, there is no difference in the answer. So 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. If I convert these meters into centimeter, then the answer is 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. So you all aware about that, 100 into 100 into 100. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros are here. And what is the remaining part? Centimeter into centimeter into centimeter. So it means now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the meaning of that? 10 to the power 6. And centimeter into centimeter into centimeter means centimeter cube. So this is the another unit of volume. Now class, this is your another topic. The volume of the liquid is generally expressed in liter. You all aware about that. All the time you measure the liquid by liter. Okay class, so 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. This is the formula, it's very important, understand this. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So How we can write this 1000 centimeter cube? I can write this 1000 into 10 into 10 into 10. Yes or no? 10 into 10 into 10 equal to 1000. Why I divide this in 3 equal parts? Because we are talking about volume, and volume is always in 3 parts: length, breadth and height. It means it's a length, it's a breadth, it's a height. Centimeter cube is also here. It means centimeter into centimeter into centimeter. Yes or no? Okay, so we can take this 10 with 10 centimeter, the other 10 with this centimeter, and this 10 with this centimeter. So now your length is this, your breadth is this, and your height is this. So what do you understand by this? The meaning is, if you have a this kind of jar whose height is 10 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter, and height also is 10 centimeter, then you can get easily 1 liter from that jar. You can easily calculate that yes, there is a 1 liter water or 1 liter. And so hope you understand this. So if you understand this, then 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml also. You are aware about this? Milliliter, you all aware about that. 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. But recently we calculate this, 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. It means 1 liter equal to 1000 centimeter cube, and it is also equal to 1000 ml. So it means this 1000 ml and this 1000 centimeter cube both are equal. So it means we can take 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1000 ml. Yes or no? So if we divide this by 1000 and if we divide this by 1000 also, cancel. So 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 milliliter. This is the important one. It means 1 centimeter cube equal to 1 milliliter means if you have any small jar of 1 centimeter whose height, whose length, whose breadth is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter, and if you pour some water in that, then definitely the amount of water in this box is equal to 1 milliliter. Hope you understand. Okay, thank you.